Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined today by Thiagu Bhojan. He is the Chief Executive Officer of 3T. Thiagu, welcome to the studio.
Thank you, Stan. Good to be here.
So, we're here today to talk about the simple ways that you can make your digital transformation affordable. But before we get into that topic, could you just tell us a little bit about your company?
Yep. We are 3T based in Saudi Arabia. So we are an industrial distribution company, been in business, part of an Indian company. For 40 years, we have been in the industrial distribution business, and we are the distributors for Rockwell in this country.
Okay, excellent. Let's get into our interview. So, to start off, first question for you. What are some of the most common perceptions companies have when it comes to starting a digital transformation journey?
Great. This is something which I experience every day with our customers in the kingdom. People think digital transformation is difficult. They think it is completely technology oriented, and also it is capital intensive. So you could say these are myths or perceptions for digital transformation, and many a times it makes it difficult for customers to start their journey. So these are purely myths. So we try and explain to customers that these are something which are not really true. So that's a common perception when it comes to the market. Yeah.
Excellent. Are there any initial steps that you would recommend leaders take when commencing their digital transformation journey? In your conversations with executives, um, what are your recommendations?
Yep. So typically, when we have conversation with leaders in the industry, we first ask them to define their baseline information, which are the key performance indicators for their business, and we say that they need to understand the as-is situation of their business. So people always tend to look into the other aspects of technology and investment. But before that, we always recommend them to look at their baseline information and then start plotting in terms of where they want to improve. So this is completely oriented with their business. So we could consult them, create awareness, but ultimately the leaders have to choose the parameters which they want to work on.
Okay. Given that cost is often a key concern, I'd imagine, how can companies minimize their expenses when starting a digital transformation journey?
Great. As I said, the perception when it comes to digital transformation, people seldom think that it is capital intensive. So we try to break that. So we make customers realize that there are several ways to approach this journey. One of them being creating a simple proof of concept. So that's something which gives customers the feel of where they have to look at as far as their process is concerned, and then they could scale it up. So right now, if you see the typical solutions, be it IoT or the manufacturing execution system, so these are basically systems which connect people, process, and places. So it's ultimately in the control of the customer or of the industry. So we tell them start small and then scale up as you expand. So they would also realize the benefits when they start small. So this gives the confidence for the leaders to scale up their investment, and all the current solutions which are available are completely on a scalable platform. So you don't have to do a large investment. So this is our advice to leaders when it comes to their digital transformation journey.
Makes perfect sense. Don't necessarily need to do everything at once, build, scale. Got it. In what ways do strategic partnerships help improve, let's say, the return on investment?
Great. When it comes to a digital transformation, so right now, a collaboration is the key. You know, after COVID, there has been a quite amplification when it comes to the digitization or the digitalization story. So the partner ecosystem is extremely important because not one organization or company can do it all. So we always bring in ecosystem of partners so that customers have the flexibility to choose the right products or technologies, and then they could be very comfortable. So we don't push anything on them, so they could have the choice available to them, and these are proven partnerships. So collaboration is key, so customers get the flexibility to choose what they want.
As we like to say, we're always better together, right?
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Thiagu, thank you so much for joining us in the studio today.
Thank you, Stan. It's my pleasure.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about industrial automation and digital transformation, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.